How to fix Talking Tom sound and audio not working problem solved. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Talking Tom sound and audio not working on your device. So if you are experiencing issues with sound and app not working in your Talking Tom app, so here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Issue that your device volume is shown up and not mute. You have to use the volume button to adjust your volume here. You can see that. Also, you can open up your Talking Tom app on your device and you have to look for the setting within the app where you can adjust the audio option. Make sure sound effect and voice setting are enabled on your device. So you have to look for the setting option here and long press on your My Talking Tom, go for the eye icon. You have to just go for the app permission. So on your app permission, you have to allow your microphone here. Also, you can close the Talking Tom app completely and then reopen it, which can also fix the minor glitches. Sometimes restarting your device can also resolve the sound issues. You can also go to your setting of your device, and on your setting you have to scroll down and go for your app here. Under your app, go for the Manage App and search for the Talking Tom here. So once you have searched for the Talking Tom on your device, you have to just go and open up your Talking Tom and tap on the Clear Data to clear your cache of your Talking Tom, which can help with any temporary issues. Make sure you have the latest version of your Talking Tom app. If all of this step fails, you can uninstall the Talking Tom app and then reinstall it from your Apple Store or Play Store, which can also fix any corrupted files. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix the Talking Tom sound and audio not working problem. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.